Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on April the 28th, 2021. Google sales exceed expectations due to ads growth. Google Alphabet Inc. surpassed quarterly earnings estimates Tuesday and announced a $50 billion stock buyback as the recovering economy and growing use of online services combined to boost its advertising and cloud units. The tech giant's first quarter ad sales were up 32% over the same period last year, beating Refinitive's expectations. Cloud sales increased 45.7%. The results are the first sign that Google services can hold up gains in usage caused by lockdowns and other pandemic restrictions. Alphabet's share was up about 4.7% to $2,398.61 as a result of expanded commerce. Alphabet's quarterly earnings rose 162% to $17.9 billion or $26.29 per share. The earnings were due to unrealized gains from venture capital investments and slower depreciation of some data center equipment. Stocks still fluctuate ahead of important speeches. Asian stocks struggled to gain on Wednesday as already high valuations dissuaded investors from buying stocks ahead of a closely watched U.S. Federal Reserve meeting. MSCI Asia-Pacific's broadest index of stocks outside Japan was down 0.06%, but Tokyo stocks were up 0.46%. All European stocks rose 0.16 through 0.31%, marking a positive start to trading in Europe. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell is expected to reiterate later Wednesday that easy monetary policy will continue for an extended period and reject any suggestions of tapering of bond purchases. U.S. President Joe Biden will also address a joint session of Congress where he may make additional comments about infrastructure and stimulus spending. In the U.S., the Dow Jones rose 0.01%, but the S&P 500 lost 0.02%, and the Nasdaq fell 0.34% as investors digested a mixed bag of overnight earnings parent Alphabet. Puma shows strong gains despite global challenges. German sportswear company Puma reported a 26% jump in the first quarter sales Wednesday despite ongoing lockdowns, supply chain problems and consumer reactions facing Western brands in China over their comments on Xinjiang. Puma reported sales of €1.549 billion, $1.87 billion, and net income jumped to €109 million above analysts' average forecasts. Puma said Wednesday that sales in the Asia-Pacific region jumped 29% in the first quarter, led by Greater China. However, according to the company, the recent political tensions in key markets have led to increased uncertainty in the industry. In March, Western brands including Puma and rival Nike and Adidas came under attack online in China over allegations of cotton purchases in Xinjiang after reports of the use of forced labor by Muslim Uyghurs. Ethereum rises to record on digital bonds report. Ethereum, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, reached a new peak on Wednesday, with participants citing media reports about the European Investment Bank's plans to launch a sale of digital bonds on the Ethereum blockchain network. Bloomberg reported Tuesday, citing unnamed sources, that the EIB plans to issue a 2-year €100 million digital bonds, with Goldman Sachs and Societe Generale leading the sale. Ether hit a record high of $2,713.95 on Wednesday, following a more than 5% rally the day before. Digital currencies also got a boost Monday thanks to reports that JP Morgan Chase plans to offer a managed Bitcoin fund, the latest indication that what many consider speculative investments are gaining institutional legitimacy. Bitcoin last seen up 1% to $55,630.82.